Hello everyone, welcome to Crash Chronicles, where we showcase 55 incredible moments on the road that you won't believe. Turn on the best sound for the ultimate viewing experience. Let's go! It seems the pickup truck driver gave the Honda driver a tough lesson for their stubborn lane changing. I feel like the car's tires might have had an issue, causing it to lose control and veer off the lane. Which car do you think was at fault in this situation? Slow down and observe when passing through intersections to avoid accidents.
Oh my God, watch out. Oh my God, that person's...
Maybe both drivers were at fault for not paying enough attention, which led to this accident. A reckless driver ran a red light, caused a crash, and then tried to flee. Fortunately, other drivers chased him down and managed to stop him. Who do you think is to blame for this silly crash?
Impact detected.
Fuck, I didn't think there was supposed to be any brakes.
I do. Oh, watch out! Fucking.
A car came out of an exit and suddenly stopped in the middle of the road, causing a crash. Luckily, everyone was okay, but both cars were
Watch
totaled.
out behind us, everything okay?
What do you think about this crash? Slippery roads caused the car to skid and repeatedly hit the divider while changing lanes. The Mazda driver caused crashes with two other cars due to his consecutive to their reckless driving. Do you think the car driver was too hasty when turning right and didn't check the lane next to them? This might be the silliest crash I've ever seen. A truck driving in the wrong lane and a careless driver caused an accident during a lane change. It seems like the truck driver didn't notice anything unusual. Which vehicle do you think should take responsibility for this accident? The car driver didn't seem to try to avoid the crash. Maybe the truck stopped too suddenly, leaving no time to react, or the car driver was distracted. Some crazy driver hit a parked car at night in a neighborhood and fled the scene right after. Thank you for watching this episode of Idiots in Cars. Which crash shocked you the most? Who do you think was at fault in some of these incidents? Let us know in the comments below. Stay safe.